Alright, so Ford stock is at $8.79 with a market cap of 34.35 billion. And sadly, we are a little down, but we are staying in the $8 range, so that's pretty awesome. I'd like to be above the 9, but hey, I will take this from where it was at. This is a great sign that we're holding steady in the $8 range. If we hit below the 8, then I think we're going to see a lot of sell-offs just because a lot of people will lose faith in Ford. And in today's news, which this is a big, big news. So, Ford begins deliveries of Mustang Mach-E with competitive price in a 300-mile range. So, the first 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E delivery occurred in Dallas, Texas on Tuesday. The car from Ford Motor Company is produced in Mexico, so Texas wasn't a surprise location for its first delivery. Obviously, it's close, so makes sense. And that saves them money in the long run. The new Ford CEO, Jim Farley, who is awesome, if you watched my videos before, I've always said good things about him, has put emphasis on the company to grow through electric vehicles. The company has committed $11.5 billion through 2022 to investments in electric vehicles. The Ford Mustang Mach-E has several models and price points. The Mach-E Premium ER rear-wheel drive is the first 300-mile range electric vehicle from a manufacturer other than Tesla. That's pretty interesting. So the vehicle price has a price point of $45,600 after tax credits. The cheapest Mach-E with a 211-mile range has a price point of $39,195 after tax credits. So I think it's still a little high for Ford, especially when Tesla's in that range also. But this is big news. This is going to dictate whether Ford hits my $10 to $14 price range, because this could take off really, really big for Ford. I don't think the Mustang looks bad. I think it looks pretty decent. So I think they have that going for it. I think they chose the wrong name, but from my understanding, they chose it due to the ability to manufacture in Mexico. So they make a lot more money that way, which is smart, but a lot of people are saying, why name it the Mustang? But this is big news. This will tell us how it's going to go. You know, if their first earnings report say the Mach-E was a huge success, it just means their other lineups are going to be huge also, and this is going to be a solid competitor. Um, Please do not think Ford is going to hit ever like Tesla in the $600 range, $100 range. Ford has too many outstanding shares. They have pension obligations. So just be aware of that. They could potentially be a $30 stock one day, but right now we have a long ways to go, and this is a big day for Ford, and hopefully this works out for them. So stay on top of it, do your own research, make some money. This video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.